Hey, future explorers! Have you ever wished a robot could magically do all your chores and homework? Imagine waking up to a perfectly tidy room and finished assignments. Is this just a dream, or could robots really do everything for us in the future?
So, what's making these robots so smart? It's something called AI, or artificial intelligence. Think of AI as a super-duper clever computer brain that can learn and solve problems, almost like our brains, but super fast. It's like having a super smart helper for machines.
Imagine an AI robot helping you tidy your room. It could learn where all your toys belong and zoom around putting everything away. No more searching for that missing sock because your robot friend would know exactly where it is. How cool would that be?
And what about homework? AI could be an amazing research assistant. It could help you find facts for a report or show you cool videos about space. Remember, AI is there to help you learn and discover, not to do your thinking for you. Isn't that neat?
So, will robots do everything? Probably not everything, but AI will definitely be our super helpful sidekick. It will make tasks easier and even more fun, giving us more time to play and learn new things. The future with AI is going to be an incredible adventure. Imagine all the amazing things we'll do together.